Hey guys, we just arrived here sa Laoag City. Partas Terminal kami.
Right? And we're about to look for our hotel to stay in.
Wala kaming binook na hotel pa or room. So from the Partas Terminal, we're just gonna walk. And may mga nakita kami mga signages. So check namin yun isa-isa. Hello guys! So we're still here in Laoag and still with JR.
Yeah.
So we decided na we're skipping Laoag and then we're going straight to Pagudpud. Well, to save money on accommodation and yes, time. So ayun, we're taking an ordinary bus going to Pagudpud. Yun. Tapos they will be dropping us sa Wood crossing and then magta-tricycle kami from sa crossing. So ayun, we're going to Teka na?
Teka na.
Alright, nasa bus na kami. We're waiting for the bus to leave. 5:30 yung alis na.
So, like few minutes left.
And if you notice na nagbago yung quality ng videos, it's because I'm using my phone kasi naubusan na ng space yung dala kong camera. This one. Naubusan na siya ng space. So, balik sa phone.
So finally, after a long wait, we're now leaving Laoag.
Yes! It's 5:30 in the afternoon and
We're riding an ordinary bus. I think we'll enjoy the ride.
fine. And the
Right.
the fare is just 70 pesos. So really cheap. Seats are
Seat on.
comfortable. This is GMW
Transit.
This is gonna take about 1.5 to 2 hours. So ayun.
Yeah.
At least pahinga lang muna. Hello guys, I know it's dark. We're still on our way to Subway. Just want to share how it felt like when I saw or we saw yung windmills. As in, my heart skipped a beat and it went boom, 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 boom. Hey guys, so finally we're at the beach and we're enjoying the beach almost by ourselves. It's Friday, so weekday, wala walang tao. So ayun, super enjoy. We have JR here. Lalakad kami ngayon along the stretch of Saud Beach. I think it's like more than 2 kilometers yata ito eh, no? Ang haba eh. So all the way from there to there, siguro mga 2 kilometers yan. Super sarap lang kasi walang tao! If you wanna enjoy the beach by yourselves, come here ng weekdays. Plus, the good thing about that is pwede pa kayo makipag-haggle dun sa mga accommodations kasi mean season. Plus, in the Philippines, it's summer almost all year round except for when there is a storm. Yeah. So you can enjoy the sun. Oy, nga pala, banda dito sa Laoag, meron din mga windmills na. Ayun sila. Hindi ko makita.
Am I pointing the...
There you go, those are the windmills. Diba? Galing. Beach, beach, beach. Oh. Okay guys, it's about 12 in the afternoon. Pabalik na kami sa homestay namin. Had a wonderful time doon sa part ng beach na yun. Nobody's there. Can do whatever you want. Meron pang mga windmills ka sa background mo. Sobrang ganda. Jay, kamusta?
Ito. Welcome to Pagudpud. Nakakapagod maglakad.
Ayun, alam nyo, parang it's unfair to say that it's Boracay of the North because
It's incomparable.
oo, it has a,
It has indeed a different fun, different experience,
yep,
different beach.
the sand is not as fine as Boracay, pero it's finer than the usual beach. Gutom na kami kaya kakain na muna kami. Kumusta naman ang lunch?
Well, it's very simple lunch.
Anong food natin? Give us a tour.
Well, we just bought a mega sardines from the nearby store and Argentina tocino meatloaf. I'm kind of curious how it tastes.
Plus
A
bread.
meatloaf flavored tocino.
Hello guys, it's about 5 p.m. and we're walking back to our spot na pinuntahan namin kaninang umaga. Medyo mainit talaga kanina, as in really humid. So hindi kami nakabalik na nung hapon. Okay, nandito na ulit tayo sa medyo super secluded part. You can see, talagang puro gubat na siya. And quite a walk, hindi nagpapawisan ng hour. Alright guys, that's it. We're done with each day. We just hanged out here sa favorite spot namin. We're walking back. Decided to go back to our room already because like there's a huge, like really huge rain coming over. So better na bumalik na lang. When you go to places like these, don't be afraid to explore. I mean, just walk along the coastline from one end to another. And you'll find beautiful places like what you saw. Okay, that's it for today. I'm ending the vlog for this day and we need to hurry up kasi you can hear that's thunder. You can hear that thunder and medyo nangangalay na ako. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow.